You in yet?
Yeah.
Did you get the Jaegers?
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm not seeing anyone, but I'm pretty sure there's kids at the... that way. Alright, I see one, I think he's got MP5 across. There's an AK there, just shot.
One of the shops are open, actually. I see. It's a shop with guns in too. We could try see if we can get it. Oh, he's naked.
Oh yeah, I see there is. How the fuck did that hit me, bro?
I've got all the guns.
Yeah, actually.
I actually do, yeah. That's so many.
Yeah. That'll do. I don't know.
Wait, can we go under here? Oh, I'm down the turret. Fuck. Wish I did.
Oh shit, I don't like the sound of that.
Do you have wood for a shit shack?
400.
I have 300. Take this.
We should go back there.
Yeah, definitely.
It's okay. Wait, do you have any more wood or is that it?
That's it.
I'm literally just going to grab a little bit of wood so I can make a large box. I see MP5 Hazy. They're just at walls right now. There's walls over 20. No. Like to the right of the base, so southeast of the base. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Hit 3 times, back up. Yeah.
Dead.
Nice.
I'm gonna dart this out. Can you shoot this off me?
Go. He's got so much shit on him. Give me MP. I've got it. I'm
Close.
fucking dead.
Can't even see him.
Dead.
Oh, I'm going.
Just go. Yeah.
We got different AK.
Well, that's something in there. Fucking hell. It's just stopped there. Not me either.
I think it just stops every now and then.
Buy wood, ideally, just for now.
I'm gonna buy... Yeah, I'll just buy loads of wood.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got more shit. Come this way.
We're going
There's a guy on that green base, by the way.
yeah.
To the right.
Better keep off on it for now.
Do that now.
Let's go grab everything that we can.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm fighting this guy first.
Yeah, we have to. He's so close. Nice one, Dad. Hit once. I'm going to get the body. Cover. Dead.
Yeah, nice. I'm gonna bleed out, by the way. And if you have any bandages.
Hey.
After this little fight, we went to the shit shack to grab the rest of our loot, transfer it to the new base, and carry on with the snowball.
Yeah, we should go to
Is that gas station?
Yeah, that's deeper. I'm gonna go over there.
No, that's fine. Oh, killed them all, I think. He's got killed by a Glock.
my god, I'm shit.
He's dead.
Nice. I fucking missed
Oh my
every-
god, he's loaded.
Take it, straight it. You got everything?
There's a little bit left.
I got prototype. Oh shit, there's a little bit left on. I'm dead. Okay, I'm just gonna put that.
Triple dead. One more point, I think. Dead. When I got back, we decided to farm components for cloth recyclables, as we had little to no med supply.
If we do go into launch site or something. Yeah, let's just go launch. I think that's our best bet.
There's the guy there.
But oh shit.
Wait, what gun was he? I couldn't tell.
I don't know, to be honest. Headshot him. No fucking clue. He's probably gonna go to the roof.
With crazy, but
Let's just go back. We'll be fine.
unfortunately, in the end, we ended up losing that fight. But it was alright because we just saw it as the first loss of our snowball. So after this, we decided to go into launch site and try and get some components.
There's nothing on it. You know.
There is.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, there. I didn't. I'm just blind.
There's a backpack here. Oh my god, backpack full. Tommy. Backpack full. Come and look at this.
Okay.
I left it, I didn't actually take it.
Okay. He's probably just gonna come down from my body. That's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we got third into there. Right?
Yeah, there's 3 there. So we need 2 more.
I mean, we go in there and we get out. I don't get in, get out, and then we can figure out what we want to do from there. Don't really see anyone, but yeah. You don't need to recycle them pipes, let's just go. We don't need that shit. It's not even about bringing what gun we want, it's just roam and not have to worry about if we...
I'm just gonna go farm the roads and try find a... I'll go to launch site and try find a blueprint fragment.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do, yeah.
Shit. I don't even know how we did that.
Yeah.
Oh, Bradley's coming our way, by the way.
Yeah, I'm on the elevator.
Is that you?
That's not me.
I can't tell if that was at me or not. Like, it was in my direction, but like, I didn't think Bradley would be able to hit me. I think that was at me.
It was.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was at me. Grenade.
On me at gas station. I see a Hazy with a backpack. Might chase him down, you know. AK's on his roof that you were on. I hit him 4 times on me.
Is he on walls or something?
Yeah, he's behind that bush. Twice, I'm gonna push.
Dead.
Nice. Oh my god. Look at that backpack.
Oh my. Okay. Let's just go. Let's just get out of here. Let's just go.
There's people at gas stations, so we might need a wide swing around here.
Would have much rather the fucking thingy then.
Yeah, I got 2.
Oh, you got 2? Okay,
Yeah.
that's good then.
In front.
Dead.
Nice. You go loot that, you go loot that. I'm gonna just go back.
Thought he was about to get a steal of a lifetime, if that's good. Fucking shot.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god.
Now, we were loaded with scrap and components, but the best part about that fight was the blueprint fragments. This now meant we could craft a tier 2 and finally make meds and roam with the AK we grubbed earlier in the Snowball.
Yeah, give me them blueprint fragments.
It's in the backpack. Craft that sucker up.
That's the decayed base. That's someone's radio. Need this naked dead, to be honest. I'm not shooting him. Wait, he's just killed right naked.
He's dead. Oh, yeah, we need to get back.
Like, these AK kids keep on, like, appearing and disappearing.
It's like chasing the end of a rainbow, like.
Yeah, like, it just ain't fucking happening.
Pretty sure he's the AK.
Yeah, full AK, full AK.
Did he jump in the base?
I think so, yeah. Don't know if it's there. Fuck. What the fuck?
Yeah, that was the.
I'm not even looting that pumpy kid. I'm so low. I'm so fucking low.
I see him.
12 right, 12 right. He's dead.
Fucking hell.
I don't. I'm gonna go leave that kid. Okay. Why can't you stack him with Ivan?
Then you update so people don't spam them. That's why.
I couldn't wall. See if you can wall more.
Where is he? I don't see him.
Okay.
On the left there, 70.
I'm dead, yeah, I can't do anything, couldn't wall.
There's 2. Wait, I'm headshot from the wall.
Yeah.
This fight was just unfortunate. We got stuck behind a wall, pinned from both sides, couldn't wall because of the zip line. It was just very awkward fight.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go farm.
I think sometimes in the desert is full of nerds. Then you have the desert, it's just fucking nothing.
I'm gonna go towards launch site.
Their main base is literally over there. So, big old base. Get them. Nice. Oh, there's one. Oh, hell yeah. Should I HQ on the roof?
HQ on the roof, yeah. Just the roof. Trying to figure out what I want to do for this.
Yeah. We should go recycle tomorrow. Not tomorrow, like, it's like
Yeah.
You're not fucking on about, fuck you. It's highly unlikely I'll be able to play tonight. I'll see if I can hold on, but... I'll play my bed. I'll play my bed. Should I sheet metal everything else?
We don't have a lot of frags. I'd rather keep them.
I'll wait for... Yeah, let's recycle first and then see what we have after that. Yeah, let's see. How much crude do we have? Yeah, we have crude. One diesel. Let me just look. The shops. Fuck me. That excavator, there's 600 pipes in that shitty little base. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I was next to airfield. I do feel like airfield. Are you doing this base?
Yeah.
This base? That is why.
Jump ups on their one bird office.
Yeah, so is it bunkered? It is.
It is.
Yeah.
It's their bunker.
Alright then, we're chilling, John, we're chilling.
Once it turned day, we headed out on a roam.
Lost him, I don't know where he's went. He lives. You good?
Yeah, him twice. So us with the saw.
Are you dead?
No, I'm fine. Dead. Can I take this guy's Tommy, please? I'm just want us with the saw.
So I'll put those. Where was this MP5 kit then? Oh, right here. There's another. Dead. Yeah, MP5. And a saw. Wait, how's he beaten? Got saw. There was not really a need to Hazzy beat. You had already shot us with the MP5.
Guy in a horse coming down. Right towards us.
Headshot, hit. Hit again. Hit again.
I just hit him 4 times.
Please be fucking loaded.
He's kind of loaded, yeah.
They would take like 5 damage, probably a headshot. Just do nothing.
Okay, well we have a lot of farms, so if we can... When we got back to base, we realised that we were in great need of low grade and mostly cloth, but we needed low grade, so we grabbed our crude oil and headed to the closest oil refinery in Roadside.
I go get those red crates. Is it?
They just shot somebody.
Yeah. With full AK, 60.
I see. We push that. If you like. He's gonna go to that though.
He was on fire, yeah.
See him. He's too
Oh,
far.
yeah.
He's too far to shoot at though. He can just wall.
Getting involved with a bolty. I'm just gonna get fucked up. We're Hazzies, we're just gonna get fucked.
Oh. You know what? I'm taking this and we're going. It's 330 low grade. That's enough for now.
So, we can get our own one. I see 2 full AKs. They're like on mountain. There's one on a horse coming our way, rocket launcher.
Yeah.
Coming your way. Directly your way.
Him a bunch, but he's on an armored horse.
States. Headshot hit. I'm hitting him. Headshot.
Yeah, pushing.
He might just think that's me. I don't know. I'm dead. There's two, there's two. He's dead, killed one.
Nice. Oh, dead.
Nice.
Yeah, oh my god.
Oh my god, Lucas, we need to get the fuck out. Picking up backpack. Gonna get fucking raided. We need to stay silent in our place, bro.
Yeah.
Take it again. I dropped them. There's two of them,
Yeah. They see me, they see
Go.
me.
They see you?
Yeah. Go left of the rock, go left of the rock. I'm gonna sit here.
They go in for auctions. They saw me, by the way. They know me. Oh shit. But he's getting...
Oh, he flanked all the way around, he's behind gas
Okay.
station.
I killed one.
Behind gas station. Like our side.
I don't know where that AK kid went.
I'm up here, I'm on the roof.
You get your AK kit. You can get it. No, I killed one.
Oh. They're
I
back.
headshot him.
I'm down on the roof.
Right. So just
I'm just gonna come back and get my buddy.
yeah, I might push back and just grab your AK and get back.
Wow, get the wolves. Timothy had to log off before I had a chance to load back in. So I decided to go farm. Let's see, I'll just farm. Shit. What's he doing, man? He should have killed the boy. I'm gonna go home with this. It's getting fucked. Bro, I died to a crossy after all that, that's crazy. All I really did after that fight was build up the base, had a few electrical furnaces, and that's it really. And then I logged off and went to the gym, got back on later.
Take that.
I found a boat on me. But if we die, we die. Let's just
Is
talk
that kid
about
to the right?
There's a.
What is that to the right?
I think there's a boat in front of us, isn't there?
There's a kid to our right. Kid to our right.
Wait, what? In the water?
Yeah.
Where? Navigate me. I can't see. Shit. Getting his gun. Got a star. Jesus Christ.
What the f... What the fuck? Yeah, we could. Yeah, you might as well. Yeah.
Why is he AK? I'm down. Well, the AK was nice while it lasted.
Whatever. Let's just complete and forget about that. Whatever.
Right after that annoying loss, me and Timothy decided to take Bradley, even though it was going to be dangerous because of these guys, and we soon found out they were ready for us. Luckily, I hit the rockets before I died. Both dead.
Both dead.
Yeah.
I hate this building. Oh shit! I forgot that we can leave the sign.
Down.
I'm dead. Fuck! I hit him 3 times. I'm dead. He killed his teammate.
Dude, I'm lagging like hit 3 times. Killed him.
Oh, you didn't. Now he's dead.
One dead. Oh, I'm getting no FPS, man. For fuck's sake. Gets it pressed up, man. I see him. He's such a fucking freak. Dish suppressor, like M2. So yeah, that was pretty much the end of the Snowball. Thanks for watching.